What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be making over this beautiful bride for her special day. So she has already been prepped and primed, brows put into place. Now we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown to fill in her brows. Alright, by now y'all should know me. You know I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer and conceal these brows. One thing I love about this step is that it definitely gives a flawless look to the eyebrows. So my bride did shape up her brows herself before the makeup application, but she was still kind of concerned with the patchwork, of course, because she did it herself. And I told her, girl, you are fine. When I get done with these brows, you won't even be able to tell. So happy about that. She also had very bad allergies the morning of her wedding. So if you see her crying or sniffling, just ignore it. My girl was battling those allergies and I was beating that face all over her nose. I'm messing with her eyelids, so I probably was adding to the problem. Of course, now you see me going in with my setting powder. Anytime that I use concealer on the lids or anywhere on the face, I love personally to set it with setting powder to make sure that it stays into place. After that, I went in with my Morphe 35G palette in the color Toasted, and I used that as her transition color on her crease. Now I'm taking that dark brown shade from the palette and I'm going to use that to pat around her eyelid and also into her crease. I'm going to smoke this color out. Next, you see me going in with the cream beige color, and I actually mixed it with more of a creamy color to give a white consistency. You know, brides wear white on their wedding day, so I wanted to give her eyes that pop. Using those cream and light colors really gave that gradient and popping effect to the eyes. Now I am just patting on some of my NYX glitter primer on both eyelids right over the cream. I am doing this because I am about to place some silver glitter on her eyelids very sporadically. Not packing the glitter on. I really just want little hints of glitter here and there to sparkle when the lights hit. Now using my NYX eyeliner, I'm going to just line her lid, small, very small line, just to make sure that it blends well when the lashes are applied. Now we're moving on to mascara. You always want to make sure to coat the eyelashes with mascara to also help with applying the lashes. Now this is one of my favorite parts because it lets me know that I am close to finishing. and it's always going to be applying foundation. A very important tip when applying foundation is to make sure that you want to match your client's neck. A lot of time our face can be discolored or it can be darker than our neck. Well, your face is going to be covered with foundation anyway, so you want to be sure that your foundation matches your neck. Now that we are all blended, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and to conceal her chin, her nose, her forehead, her cheeks, and under her eyes.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe.
Using a fresh beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend in that concealer. A little tip for you here. Make sure that you spray your beauty blenders with setting spray. It helps for the makeup to just seep that much more into the skin to give a flawless finish. You already know, anything we conceal, we must set. So now I'm taking my Aerospun setting powder and I'm setting all of the spots where we just placed that concealer. On my darker skin ladies, I do not let my setting powder sit long because it will give that white finish. So I kind of tap it in lightly and then I go ahead and brush it away or dab it in with the same beauty blender that I use to apply the concealer. Today I'm using my True Complexion contour palette to contour her face. This palette for her shade is in the color dark to deep. Of course, you know we're going to get the highs of the cheekbones. We want to get her, wow, I'm having a brain fart. What is this? Her nose. We want to get her forehead. Oh my gosh, there it is. Her forehead and also under her face a little bit where her neck and her face meet. This is going to make the face pop out and bring dimension to the face so it will not look flat. Using that same contour palette, I'm going to use the darkest shade in the palette to line her lips. I have found that when you line your lips with the eyeshadow or a powder, it lasts longer than using a lip lining stick.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers.
So we're done lining. I'm just going to take a little bit of my NYX lipstick on a disposable brush, and I'm going to pat that on to her lips. Now I'm just taking a little bit. Oh my gosh, she is so silly, y'all. We had a ball while doing this makeup. But anyways, I'm going to take a little bit of clear gloss to place on top of that lipstick and on top of the liner. As you can see, I'm a gloss girl. It just brings the lips to life. They were dull before, now they are popping. All right, again, using a dark brown shade, I am just going to go in her waterline to deepen up the eye a little bit. Which is crazy because using this dark color in that place actually opens the eye. It brings more attention to your actual eyes with that overcast or undercast, whatever you want to call it. But very, very important step. Now for lashes, goodie for y'all because I usually do lashes off cam. But y'all already know I get my lashes from Amazon. I get them in packs, I get them in bulk, and they look like mink lashes. So just applying them here, making sure that they stay on because my girl has been letting tears flow the whole appointment due to these freaking allergies. But I wanted to make sure that her lashes were popping because I do believe that no look is complete without lashes. Going in once again with my mascara, just making sure that everything is seamless. Now I'm going in and I'm applying a tad bit of blush on the apples of her cheek. Our last step before this look is complete is to apply our highlighter. I have no idea what highlight I'm using. It really doesn't matter, y'all. Find a highlight that best suits you.
I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.